Hi everyone, Dambi here again with another bite-sized video. It's fair to say that generative AI can do a lot. It can write a convincing cover letter, draft a bedtime story in the voice of your favorite author, or even simulate a Socratic dialogue about climate change. But the more interesting question is, what can't it do yet? Well, to begin with, generative AI models don't know that it's doing any of these things. AI models like ChatGPT don't have what psychologists call theory of mind, and that's the ability to understand that you and others have differing thoughts, beliefs, and perspectives. Humans develop theory of mind as children. It's how we guess what someone else might be feeling. It's also how we reflect on our own thoughts midway through writing or speaking and ask, why did I say that? Does that make sense? Am I being fair? And that's metacognition, thinking about our thinking. And AI can't do that yet. When ChatGPT generates a response, it isn't checking itself mid-sentence. It's not asking, wait, is this true? Why am I saying this? It's just following patterns like autocomplete on overdrive. Here's an example researchers love to use to test this. In the early days of large language models, they would prompt ChatGPT, why might someone think there are 3 R's in the word strawberry? A human might pause, count the letters and say, because there are 3 R's in strawberry. But a couple of years ago, AI models often said something like, because blueberry also has 3 R's. But as humans, we also know that blueberry only has 2 R's. Even though the outputs for prompts like these have gotten more precise as these models have improved, depending on how you prompt it, AI models still get the answers wrong. You can see here that Beck, a colleague at the Center for Digital Thriving, prompted ChatGPT with a bit more of an elaborate prompt. Is there some other word that makes you think there aren't 3 R's in strawberry? Like, is there some sort of conflicting information in your training data that also makes this hard? And here, the output shows that ChatGPT has classified words like cranberry and raspberries to have 2 R's, when in fact they actually have 3 R's. So this kind of output reveals something very important. The model isn't actually counting. It's not grounded in meaning or logic. It's just remixing patterns of language it's seen before. And when it gets something wrong, it doesn't actually know it was wrong. And that's why researchers say these models don't yet have theory of mind. They can sound reflective, but they have no awareness of their own knowledge or limitations. Now, could this change? Possibly. AI is evolving very fast. Some systems are being trained to catch inconsistencies or revise themselves in real time. But for now, AI doesn't know when it's hallucinating. It doesn't know that it's talking, and that's where we come in. As educators, we're the one who bring the reflection, the pause, does this make sense? It's important to remember that we're not just users, we're also real-time interpreters. For now, AI can generate, but it's up to us to make meaning.